We're going to look at these questions right now. And look at the questions and about the questions. Let me see. This is simply simplifying expressions. Okay,
Okay.
simplifying. So when it says simplified, it just means you should try to bring it to the lowest form possible. So simplifying algebraic expressions. So what I'm going to do, I'll do some of them, and I want you to listen because you'll be answering some questions as we progress in this. So question one says 3 minus 3 into x minus 2. So tell me, what do you think we should do first?
Um, can you say that again, please?
Yeah, what's the first step?
The first term.
The first step, yeah,
First,
what should we do? Or better still, let me just explain. The 3 is alone, but the negative 3 is with the bracket. So the negative 3 must open this bracket. Exactly.
uh,
So minus 3 times an x, it becomes minus 3x.
interesting.
Then minus 3 times the other minus 2, it's going to give us positive 6. So we have two numbers there, yes or no? And we have another one that doesn't have, that has an x. So we combine the two numbers. So we have negative 3x, positive 3, positive 6. So this will be negative 3x plus the 3 plus 6 is going to give us 9. And this becomes our final answer. Is this clear to you?
I guess.
Yeah, if it's clear. Where did I get 6 from? So that 6, where did it come from? 6.
Wait, 3
3
times 2.
times 2, that's correct. So let's go to the next one. Number 2. We have negative into 1 minus 5n. Then we close the bracket, then minus 7n. Now, the only thing the negative is to do outside that bracket is to open the bracket from left to right. So minus times 1 gives us minus 1. And minus times minus 5 gives us plus 5n. Then we have minus 7n outside. Now we have negative 1. What is 5n minus 7n?
Um,
Yeah, what is 5n minus 7n? You know the problem why you are not answering at a time when I ask you is that you're not concentrating. You're busy pressing and tapping and tapping and tapping on the screen. Huh? What are you tapping?
I'm not tapping anything. I don't know what you're talking about.
Then leave that screen alone and concentrate.
Mm, I guess.
Okay.
Maybe.
So what is 5n minus 7n? That's going to be negative 2n.
Yes,
So,
I do.
and that is the final answer because you can't subtract 1 and 2n, so it's not possible. If it's n minus 2n now, we're going to subtract. So, the third question is 8 plus 7 into 7n minus 4. So we have 8 plus, what is 7 times 7? You can see, you would ask me, you will say, pardon, right? Because you're not concentrating. Now, give me the answer.
I don't know what was the question again.
uh What is 7 times 7?
49.
49. So that will be 49n. Then what is 7 times negative 4?
28. Wait.
Yeah, negative 28. So all of this, we have two numbers that are, numbers without alphabet. So we can add those two numbers together. But one of them is having a negative, so that means it's a kind of subtraction. So we have 49n plus 8 minus 28. Then 49n, 8 and minus 28. That will give us positive 20 because if you take positive 8 and you remove negative 8 from the negative 28, you have negative 20 remaining. So 8 minus 8 gives me 0. So the final answer to that is going to be 49 n minus 20. So that's the answer. Is that clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. The next question, number 4. We have 4x plus 5 into a bracket 3x minus 3. So tell me what to write now. What should I do? Yes. Tell me what to write now. Okay. Come in. Yeah, come on. So what am I going to write?
4x plus 5 plus 3 plus minus 3.
Wait. No.
Oh,
You write a 4x, then you
okay,
multiply.
that
You
might be
open the
my bad.
bracket. Open the bracket. So tell me what to write now when you open the bracket.
I literally just said it.
Yes. What should I write now when you open the bracket? 5
I
times
just
3,
said
15x. Then 5 times negative 3, negative 15. So we have the x together now. The x's together. So 4x plus 15x is what? Serenity.
and they are how we're supposed to do that.
If you have 4x in a basket and you add 15x,
I don't know.
okay, if you had 4 xylophones, you have 4 xylophones and you had 15 xylophones. How many xylophones altogether? Yes.
What side form is whatever you call it.
What did you say?
Never mind.
So 4x plus 15x is 19x because they're hex altogether, so minus 15. We can't subtract this because it doesn't have any x. So this is the answer. Number 5. So when I finish number 5, I think, okay, the rest doesn't look like this. So 5 minus 2 into 8x plus 4. How I wish you concentrate for once. And so this is 5. 2 times 8 is 16, so negative 16x. Minus 2 times positive 4 is minus 8. So there are two numbers and one with alphabet. So 5 minus 8, then minus 16x. So what is 5 minus 8? Unmute yourself and talk to me. What's 5 minus 8? I'm waiting for you. What is 5 minus 8? I'm waiting for you. Who's getting on your nerves? Nobody's getting on your nerves. You need to calm down. Okay? You need to calm that body down. Exactly. Unmute yourself and talk to me. Unmute and talk to me. You answer so that we can move on. Okay. Okay. Unmute yourself and talk to me so we can move on now. When you're in
No,
class,
you can just say it.
what did you say? You said what? You're not talking. So the
I
class
just
is
say something about class or something, which I didn't want to listen.
think about class or something. I don't understand. I just don't understand that. Okay, 5 minus 8 is negative 3. Then we have negative 16. So
Okay.
x. If there is no x, then we'll go ahead and subtract. But since there is x, we cannot go ahead. So let's look at number 6. We have 1 minus 8x minus 5x. 1 minus 8x. Then another minus 5x. So this is 1 minus 13x. Why? Because 8 plus 5 is 13 because they are both negative. So that is that about that. That is so simple. And the next question, number 7. We have 7 plus 6x plus 9x again and plus 9. So 7 and 9 are the same, like terms, they're numbers. 6 and 9, they have x. So you can add those that have x and those that doesn't have x. So 7 plus 9 is, what's 7 plus 9? 16. And 6x plus 9x is 15x. So that's the answer because one has x, the other doesn't have. So number 8. I have negative 3, that's minus 3 plus 8, minus 3 plus 8 x, then plus 2. So we have two numbers there, negative 3 plus 2 plus 8x. So what is negative 3 plus 2? What is minus 3 plus 2, Serenity? Minus 3
Um,
plus 2. Hmm? What's the answer? If you have negative 3 and you have positive 2, 2 negative, we cancel 2 positive, then you have a negative left. Is that clear? So the answer is minus 1, then plus 8x. And that's the answer to that one. Yeah. Number 9, we have 5 minus 8n minus 4n again. So 5 doesn't have anything to do with n because it doesn't have n. But negative 8n and negative 4n is negative 12n. Is that clear?
Okay.
9, that's number last number. 9 plus 3x minus 1, then minus 2x. So we have 9 and 1 without x. That is 9 minus 1. And we have 3x and 2x with x. I mean 3 and 2 with x. So that is 3x minus 2x. So we have 9 minus 1 is 8, and 3x minus 2x is only 1x. Okay, I want you to put down the solution to this. Once you're through, I'll give you what to do. Right now, I want to work on converting of numbers from improper to mixed numbers. You should remember that when numbers are proper, when fractions are proper, like a small number over a big number, this is proper. Okay? Like a small number over a big number, this is what? Proper, right? Right? Are you hearing me? Okay. So that's proper. But if we have a big number sitting on a small number, that's unfair. That's not proper, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Like 7 sitting on 4. Is that proper?
Mm.
No, it's not proper. So we have to make it proper, okay? We have to make it what? Proper. So that means 7 over 4. We're going to look into 4 times table. How many of them can go in 7? 4 times 1 is still less than 7. And 4 times 2 is greater than 7. So we can't go to 4 times 2. Is that fair?
Yeah.
So we stop at 4 times 1. So how many 4 times is in 7? That's 1. Okay.
Okay.
So if you remove 4 from 7, what do you have? 3, then over 4. Okay.
Okay.
That's in if you remove 4 from 7, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you cancel out 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you have left?
Me.
3. That's why it remains 3. Okay.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So we go to the next question. You remember we have a question, we were looking at a question at the top that says 40 over 7, right?
Yeah.
So let's do that as our number 2. 40 over 7. So let's go into our 7 times table. 7 times 1, is it less than 40 or more than 40? That's less than 40, right?
Yeah.
7 times 2 is 14. That's less than 40. 7 times 3 is 21. That's less than 40. You can still go. 7 times 4 is 28. That's less than 40. 7 times 5 is 35, right?
Yes.
That's less than 40. But what about 7 times 6? That's 42. It's greater than 40. So we can't go there, okay? So we stop on 7 times 5. So how many times can 7 go in 40? 5 times. I said we stop at 7 times 5, right? which is 35. Now remove 35 from 40. What do you have? Count down. Remove from 40. Just say 39, 38, 37,
One the free.
36, 35. So,
One remain the free. I mean, yeah, one remain the free.
no, 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 no. I said remove 35 from 40. Okay? What are you going to have left? Let's count down. Count down from 40. So, 39 when you remove 1, okay? Until you get to 35. So, 38, 37, 36, 35. So, if I remove 35, it remains 5, right? So, that 5 that remains is going to be our remainder over 7. Is that clear? That will be remainder 5 over 7. Why? Because 7 times 5 is 35. So remove 35 from 40, you have 5 over 7. Let's go to number 3. Hold on. Number 3. We have 9 over 2. 9 over what?
9/2.
How many times? Oh, okay, let's do 9 over 2. How many times can 2 go in 9? Read 2 times. How many times can it go in 9? 2 times 1, 2 can go in 9. 2 times 2, 4 can go in 9. 2 times 3, 6 is less than 9. 2 times 4, 8. But 2 times 5 is 10, which is greater than 9. So we'll stop at 2 times 4. So how many times? 4. Okay?
One remain the one.
Yeah, remainder 1 over 2. Is that clear to you now?
Kind of.
What do you mean, kind of? Is it clear to you now? 4 times. How many times can 2 go in 9? That's 4 times. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2, 2, 2, 2. That's 4 times. Remainder 1. Okay? Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. So the next number, let's do this one, number 4. We have 9 over 4. Okay?
Okay.
So what do you think I should write?
Um. um
Yeah? How many times can 4 go in 9?
you remain the one.
Over 4, right?
Yes.
Is that clear to you?
Yeah.
Number 5. Let's do. Mm, 4, 9, 2, no. We're not doing all of these because they are not. Let's do 37 over 2 and 37 over 3, okay? So how many times can 2 go in 37? How many times can 2 go in 37? 2 times 15 is 30. 2 times 16. Are you concentrating, Annabelle? 2 times
Yes.
15 is 30. 2 times 16 is 32. 2 times 17 is 34. We are still below 37. 2 times 18 is 36. But 2 times 19 is 38. So what should I write? That's 18 times, okay?
Okay.
Remainder 1, because that's 36. So remainder 1 over 2. Then the last one that we're going to do before we, you know, um, go back to what we're working with. We have 37 over 3, okay? How many times can 3 go in 37? Read your 3 times, let me hear. Yeah, read your 3 times. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15. We are still below 37. So 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7,
21.
21. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 10, 30. Right?
Yeah.
3 times 11, 33. We're still below this. We're below 37. So 3 times 12, 36. 3
36.
times 13 is 39. 39 is above, and we're going to 37. So it's 3 times 12. So how many times can 3 go in 37?
12.
12 times. Remember what?
Remainder, remainder 1 over
1 over 3. Is that clear?
this.
Okay. Then back to what we were working with. We're working with this division stuff, and most of them have given us. Let me cut this and put it down here. Quickly work on it before I give you time to write it down. Okay. So the first one, 1 divided by half, that is 1 times 2 over 1, and that is just 2. Then the second one, number 2, we have 1 divided by 3 over 8, and that is 1 times 8 over 3, okay? And that's 8 over 3. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Should I leave my answer as 8 over 3?
Mm, no.
So what should I do? What should I
Um,
do?
so you put 8 fingers up.
Yeah. Then I
Then
count how many threes, right? And that's 2.
yeah,
When the 2 over 3, okay? Then number 3, we have 4 divided by 1 over 3. And this is going to be 4 times 3 over 1, which is 12. So if I get 12 over 1, do I put over 1 again?
uh,
No. So I don't put over 1. Then number 4, we have 6 divided by 1 over 5. And this is 6 times 5 over 1, which is 30 over 1, which is 30. So take note of all this correction. Then we have 9 divided by 1 over 4, and that is 9 times 4 over 1, which is 36 over 1, which is 36. Number 6, we have 6 divided by 1 over 3, that is 6 times 3 over 1, which is 18 over 1, which is 18. Are you getting that? 7 divided by 2 over 10. This will be 7 times 10 over 2, okay? And this is 70 over 2, which is 35. No more fraction. 35 over 1, which is 35. Number 8, we have 2 divided by, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number 8, 2 divided by 9 over 10, okay? That will be 2 times 10 over 9, which is 20 over 9. How many 9 can go in 20? That's 2 times, which is 18. So 2, okay?
okay.
Yeah, so you just need to take note of when you have uh, improper fraction, you change it to proper fraction, okay? Number 9, we have 3 divided by 3 over 4. And that will be 3 times 4 over 3. 3 cancel 3, then you have 4 as your final answer. Number 10, we have 3 divided by so we have 3 divided by 3 over 4, okay? Okay, we've done that. So divided by 6 over 12. So this will be 3 times what? 12 over 6, okay? 12 over 6 is 2. 2 times 3 gives me 6. Number 11, I have 5 divided by 7 over 8. 7 over 8. So this will be 5 times 8 over 7. So that is 40 over 7. I don't leave it like this. I have 5 whole number, 5 over 7. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. Remember we did this just now. So, okay. So let's quickly fix the remaining. Number 13. We have 7 divided by half. And this is 7 times 2 over 1, which is 14. Okay? Is that clear? Oh, that one is number 12 above there. Change this to 12 and this to 13. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Make sure you're concentrating. Not just writing, be concentrating. Don't write yet, okay? So number 13, we have 5 divided by 1 over 6. And this is 5 times 6 over 1, which is 30. And the last question but not the least, we have 8 divided by 4 over 5. And this is 8 times 5 over 4. 8 and 4 can divide. 4 in 8 is 2, so 2 times 5 we have 10. Or you say 40 over 4, which is 10. Okay, I'll give you some time to put down this one. Once you're through, you correct as we want to look at it now, okay? Can you hear me?
Okay.
Okay, good. So, like you rightly said, let's see. The first question, we're changing from improper fractions to mixed numbers, right?
Yes.
Then number 1 says 7 over 3. How many times can 3 go in 7? That's 2, based on what you said. So it remained 1 over the 3 we're using. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Then number 2, 36 over 7. 36 over what?
7.
So how many times can 7 go in 36? That is 5 times. 7 times 5 is 35. Okay.
Okay.
So once you have 5, it remains 1, right? Please look at the board. It remains 1 over 7. Okay. I can hear you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good, good. Now, 44 over 10. We have how many 10 can go in 44? How many? Let's count it. 10, 20,
Mm,
30, 40. So how many 10 can go in 44? How many 10 can go in 44?
11.
No. How many 10? 10. A 10, another 10, another 10, another 10 gives us 40. Okay? So how many 10 can you see?
Four.
4. Why did you say 11? It's not 11, okay? It's 4. So the 4 that we can see in I mean the 10 that we can see in 44 is what? 4. That is 40. Remember what?
40.
If you remove 40 from 44, what do you have left?
4/10.
Yeah, if you remove 40 from 44, you have 4 left, right?
Yeah.
So you now change it to 4 whole number 2 over 5. How did I get 2 over 5? How did I get 2 over 5? That is from 4 over 10. 2 here, 2, 2 here, 5. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now number 4. I have, let me see, 59 over 8. Okay? 59 over 8. So how many 8 is in 59? 8 times 7 is 56. So remove 56 from 59. What do you have? You have 3 over 8. Okay? Is that clear? Number 5, we have 13 over 2. How many 2 can go in 13? 2 times 6 is 12. So that means 2 can go 6 times. Okay? Remainder 1 over 2. Okay?
Okay.
And the last question there. What's the last question?
Last question is 27/6.
So how many 6 can go in 27? That is 4. 6 times 4 is 24. So remove 24 from 27, what do you have? That's 3. Okay? Then you have 4 whole number 1 over 2. You have what?
4 remain 1/2.
How did I get 1 over 2? From 3 over 6. 3 here, 1. 3 here, 2. Okay? Is that clear? Is that clear now? So I'm
Yes.
going to send this note over, then I'll send you assignment. And that is where we'll be running up for today, okay?